right, here we are in lesson 9, page 5. This is a guessing game, right? Guess the secret number with else if. In this guess the number, the starting code tells the user whether they were right or wrong. Let's help the user out even more by telling them if they guessed correctly or if their guess was too high or too low. Okay. There's only 3 possible cases. They were right, their guess was higher, their guess was lower. All right. So I'll use an equal to, I'll also use a greater than, and then a lower than, right? Or less than. Use a conditional with if, else if, and final else to implement this. Remember, you can create an itself. So I'm going to actually use their if, and I'm just going to use this little plus. All right. I'll add an else if. All right. Do this. Add an else if statement to accommodate the 3 conditions. Now look, they've already given us some stuff here. They've already given us part of it, so that's great. So watch what I do. I'm going to make this a little bit easier to see. So I'm going to, first of all, hit this down here. I'm going to say, all right, if it is greater than, so I'll say if, and I'm just pretty much using their code as a guide. If the user guess is greater than the secret number, I want the user message to say, I want it to say, your guess was too high. All right, make this so you can see it a little bit better. All right, your guess was too high. Got it. Now I want to do another one. I'll do a less than. If the user guess is less than secret number, right there. Then we want it to say, actually, you know what? I don't even know if I need this because that's all that's left. You know, so watch what I do. Let's see. All I have to now, if it's not equal to or greater than, it has to be less than. So I don't even have to put in my Boolean. I can just grab a UI control and set the text for the user message, beep, 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 to your guess was too low. You're like, well, why don't I have to put in that Boolean? Well, because the only thing left, if it doesn't equal to it or if it's not greater than it, has to be less than it. So let's see if it works. All right, so I'm going to pick a number. I'm going to pick the number 3. And by the way, the secret number is 6. It's in the coding already. Oh, your guess was too low. Let's see. I'm going to hit it again. Now I'm going to choose 10. Your guess was too high. Cool, this totally works. You got it. All right, so there you go. Let's double check and make sure I did all the stuff we were supposed to. Tells the user if their guess was correct, too high or too low. I got it. Easy. So once again, quick review. They gave us the first thing. If it's exactly that, it says you got it. If it's greater than it, I put your guess was too high. And then the only thing left in the universe, if the guess does not equal it, and the guess is not over it, the only thing left would be that it's under, like it's less. So then I just was able to make it the final thing. So if this is true, say this. And if it's not true, check for that. Check for this thing. And then say this. And if that's not true, just print this out. That's it. Easy cheesy, lemon peasy.